Hello, happy July 4th. My name is Dan Low. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run, write, and debug JavaScript programs just using Chrome. Okay, and the reason I'm making this video is like a lot of people start learning JavaScripts by installing a lot of unnecessary software, and then complaining about oh, your computer is too old, you cannot learn the JavaScript, and that is totally wrong. And also somebody from YouTube somewhere saying that you need to run the web server to learn to run the JavaScript. That is also totally wrong. JavaScript actually is it's a piece of program running inside a browser. So as long as you have the browser, then you can run JavaScript. You can write a JavaScript program, run it, you can debug it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. So first, uh, just keep it simple, for beginners. For beginners, if you ask beginners, to install a lot of software, then yeah, a lot of installation is not easy for beginners, especially. Okay, so just get rid of that, keep it simple. And no extra software is actually needed in order to develop JavaScript programs, as I mentioned earlier, or JavaScripts that can be executed in a web browser. So as long as your computer has a web browser, you can run your JavaScript. Okay, so that's simple. And you only need a text editor that come that comes with your computer. Software OS in Mac, Linux, or Windows, and such as Notepad in Windows. Okay, this Notepad or this text editor is just get you or started. You need because you need to create some initial files. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to create two files, index.html or some uh, JavaScript, my JavaScript.js. So two files. Okay, you can also create one file, but just make it clean. So I have index.html, and that is a HTML tag file. Okay, and this is the JavaScript programs. So this is the JavaScript program, and this is the web page, because a JavaScript essentially will be executed in a browser, and browser will understand the web page in the HTML protocol. Okay, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to use the Chrome to load the index.html, and your journey starts from there. Okay, so let's start it. So here I have, let's say I have a notepad. So I'm going to create two files. The first file, okay, let's say I first file index.html. So this file, I just use the body. This is HTML tag. Just simply saying that, okay, so welcome. Let's put some here. Welcome to JavaScript programming. Okay, and this welcome to JavaScript programming. This is just a text, and it cannot be displayed in when you open this file. And then inside, I'm gonna have a script tag, to indicate that this is the JavaScript. Okay, by default, it's a JavaScript. And here in between, I can put something in, but you don't have to. Okay, so I just want to put the source to point to the program, my javascript.js. This is another file I'm going to create shortly. Okay, so this page basically just display welcome to JavaScript programming, and it point out the script that you will be executed. File name is my javascript.js. Okay, so I'm gonna save this file to index.html. Okay, so save as, and here I need to select in the notepad all files. Okay, I'm gonna created a file under C then projects JavaScripts. Okay, make sure that you remember where you store the file so you can get it back in the browser. So this is the index.html, and this is the first file you created. Save it. Okay, and the second file you need to have is the my script, right? My script, my JavaScript.js. Okay, so here I'm gonna create a new window. Okay, right here. Okay, and this again, this file. Okay, let's make it bigger a little bit. So inside this is the my JavaScript.js. So I can just go file, save as, and again I need to set all files. Okay, so and make sure you save it to the same directory. Okay, as the index.html. So here I save the file my JavaScript.js. Okay, and save it. And inside I'm just going to use console.log. Okay, console.log is the JavaScript command, just to display something. So I say hello world. Okay, and that's it. So and then I save it. So I got a file created, index.html and my javascript.js that will be executed when you open the file, open index.html. So now let's go to the uh, Google Chrome. Okay, in Google Chrome, type in the folder you have, the folder, to the folder that you store the two files. So I save it, then project JavaScript. Okay, so hit enter. So you got the index.html. This is the file I created just a minute ago, and then my javascript.js. So I click on the index.html. So you get it here, right? But now, where did the output go? Okay, and the output is actually going to the console. So you need to uh, uh, open the Chrome dev window by the shortcut Control Shift J. Okay, so Control Shift J, you got a hello world right here, right? So if you click on the source, you can see this is your JavaScript source. Okay, JavaScript source. But now you can, if you try to modify from here. Okay, let's say you modify, let's say right here, you say modify whatever, you put something there, right? If you try to save it, okay, uh, it will not allow you to do that. So in order to do that, you need to map your script. Okay, so you click on here, there's a settings. Okay, and then click on the workspace. Okay, and now here I already have one. Okay, I'm just doing it. Okay, so if you click on here, okay, and then you need to add that folder, the folder to your uh, uh, project, the folder you store index.html and my javascript.js, which is the C then project JavaScript in my case. So you need to add that folder to the workspace. So you say add this. Okay, so add this one, select this folder, and then you will add it in. Okay, so you will map in already there. Okay, so that uh, will complete. Oh, not yet. You need to allow, here it pop up. You say DevTools request all access, full access to this folder. Make sure you do not expose any sensitive events. So you say allow. Okay. After that, you have this file here. If you don't have this here, then if you don't map this folder, this path to your workspace, you cannot uh, edit the file in here in the dev uh, interface. So here, if I change this, to 123 whatever, just make sure that this is just I modified it. Okay, we can put something here. Okay, then you save it, and then if you come here, you reload it. Okay, you can see the output. Now it's my output. Okay, it's output coming from here. So essentially, you can just put whatever JavaScript program here, and that will be pretty much about all you need to do to get started. And you can write a function, you can do whatever. You can write another console that output, okay, that log or Windows that alert, okay, say hi, okay, and something like that. And then let's see, oh no, I put a semicolon here. Okay, then make sure you save it. Okay, and then reload it. Now this is coming from the window that alert. Okay, right here you say hi. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have. So enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.